How to find the song name in an Instagram reel. Ever heard an amazing song in an Instagram reel but didn't know its name? No worries. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to find the song name in just a few seconds. Let's get started. When you're watching a reel, take a look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see the song's name displayed next to a music note icon. Simply tap on the song name. This will take you to a page where you can see more reels using the same audio. If you want to use the song later, tap Save Audio. You can find it anytime under Saved in the Instagram Music section. If you want to listen to the full song, just search the title on YouTube, Spotify, or your favorite music app. Sometimes, reels use original audio and the song name isn't displayed. In that case, try these options. 1. Use Shazam. Open the app and let it listen to the reel. 2. Ask Google Assistant or Siri. Just say, "What song is this?" while playing the reel. And that's how you find the name of any song in an Instagram reel. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.